This is by far the easiest digital side hustle that you can start in 2025. And yep, it's even perfect for a 56-year-old brain like mine. I made over $13,600 just this past week using this exact method. No product creation, no chasing people, and absolutely no tech overwhelm. So if you're looking for a simple way to start making real income online, stick around because I'm walking you through the exact strategy that finally worked after trying all the wrong things first. Hi, if we haven't met yet, my name is Wendy. I'm a wife, grandma of 3, and once exhausted 9-to-5 worker who was stupid short for retirement. After years of trying almost literally everything online, I finally found something that worked for me in February of 2024. I retired at 55 of the same year, and now I help fellow midlifers learn the exact strategy I used to do it. So before we jump in, you might want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's a PDF. It's totally free, and it breaks down the steps that I used to go from overwhelmed to an automated digital income. The link is below this video. Okay, so let's get real. Do you actually need something to sell to make money online? Yes, 100%. Whether you're an affiliate, you're a course creator, or a digital marketer, if income is the goal, you need to have something to exchange for money. A product, a service. That's just how the economy works, on and offline. Most people get stuck right there. They go, what do I even sell? Should I join an affiliate program? Do I make a course? Do I design a t-shirt? Do I start a YouTube channel? Well, let me walk you through what I tried before I finally figured out what worked. One of the things I tried was being an Amazon influencer. I tried promoting products through Amazon, did little short video reviews of products. And here's the truth. You can make money from that. The commissions are tiny. I was earning literally cents on the dollar, and I had to sell hundreds of items, make hundreds of videos to make anything close to a decent amount of income. It was really kind of exhausting. Then I tried print on demand, making t-shirts, sweatshirts with some fun quotes, and it was kind of fun designing those. Sounded perfect. No inventory, no shipping. Sounded easy, right? Wrong. I was literally making about $5 per item and paying more for my Shopify account than I was actually making. So I was upside down on that one. I then tried affiliate marketing. Now this one is smart, and I still use affiliate marketing today. You promote someone else's product and you make a commission, like a percentage, 25 to 50%, which is good. And I did make money with that. But here's the downside. You don't control the profit margins. You're not building your own asset. It's great for bonus income or to add layers onto what you are doing, but it's not an ideal for your main type of income. Then I thought, what if I just make my own digital product? Which sounds amazing until I really thought about it. What do I even make? How do I find the right audience? What if nobody buys it? How do I make sales consistently? Look, you can totally create your own stuff, and it's really good to do so. But if you don't understand demand, traffic, and how to sell, you'll end up with a great idea, collecting digital dust on your hard drive. Done all that work and no sales. It's like setting up a lemonade stand at the end of a dead-end street. Your lemonade might be yummy and incredible, but if no one knows it's there, you're going to be sipping it all alone. Now, since then, I've learned how to create my own product the right way, but trying to do it without a roadmap was a complete waste of my time, money, and energy. So here's what really changed everything for me. I stopped guessing and I started researching. What are people already searching for? What problems are people trying to solve? What skills are in demand right now? And where is the money already flowing online? That's when I found a program that not only taught me those in-demand skills, but also gave me something called Master Resell Rights so I could start earning immediately. No building from scratch, just a plug and play with a proven system. And that's how I went from trying random things to now making over $13,000 in a week, just right from my gazebo in the backyard. So the question is, what is in high demand right now? Everyday people are searching for these types of topics. How to make money online, how to work from home, how to create passive income, and how to retire early. These topics are booming. In fact, Forbes says that digital marketing space is on track to hit 3 billion, that's billion a day in the next few years, according to Google Trends. Make money online is one of the most searched topics in the world. Instead of guessing, I simply put my offer in front of the people who are already searching for it. There's some of the things that I hear quite commonly. I hear this a lot, like, I don't want to sell anything. I'm not techie. I don't want to bug people. You're in good company, because that's totally me. I didn't want to cold message strangers or invite my high school friends to a coffee shop and pitch them a life-changing opportunity. Can you say MLM? Like, no thanks. Here's what changed for me. I learned how to use automated systems that do the talking and selling for me. They show the product, they explain the benefits, follow up with emails, and even close the sale. I literally call it my freedom machine because it runs while I'm off living life. Now, get this. I was literally on a winter vacation, escaping the freezing friggin' cold Canada when ding, a sale came through on my phone. Like, check this out. Then another one. And I made over $5,400 while on vacation. It almost paid for the whole friggin' trip. Now, that's not luck. That is automation. And that is a system doing the heavy lifting in the background so I don't have to. I can be sipping a margarita on the beach and still make money. How amazing is that? Okay, now don't get me wrong. This is not some get rich quick thing. You've got to learn the system, set it up, take action. But it's totally doable, even for midlifers like me, like you. And it's all because of automation and digital marketing skills. One of the tools I use is called System.io, and I love it because one, it's free. Who doesn't like free? For up to 1,000 email subscribers. Not just a trial, this is a full plan. Funnels, emails, payments, websites. I made 6 figures before I even paid the upgraded version of System.io. So having no monthly cost to run my business was amazing. Now you can grab your own free System.io account in the description below and just see what I'm talking about. But what really changed the game for me was when I found a done-for-you digital program that gave me a fully built website, fully built capture page, email sequences, 4 high converting digital products, and full master resale rights to make 100% profit. It was like a complete business in a box. There was no guessing, no product creation, just learn, earn, and scale. And get this, I saw college offering a 10-week digital marketing course for like $2,500. You get a certificate, that's it. No system, no business, no income. Meanwhile, this program costs a fraction of that cost, and I could resell it for 100% profit after getting certified. My return on investment came at just one sale. Everything after that was pure profit. So what's the easiest way to start, especially if you're a total beginner? I recommend this all the time. You got to find a Master Resell Rights program that gives you an automated system, proven digital training, a coaching community, real support, and the ability to earn while you learn. That is exactly what I did. And now I get to sit in my backyard, under my gazebo, live my life, and still make sales online without tech overwhelm or starting from scratch. So if you're ready to learn more, then I invite you to watch the free class that I have linked below. It really breaks everything down step by step, so you can decide if this is the right fit for you. I have no clue, but it's radically changed our life and how we make an income for our retirement. And hey, if you want to see how I created 13 income streams and made over $650K in just over a year, then you're going to want to watch this next video right here, because when you pair that with what I just shared with you in this video, you're going to start to see how really powerful it is and how it can work for you as well. You're not too old, you're not too late, you're just one decision away from a whole new kind of freedom. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.